Let's get into this makeup routine. Starting off with two foundation shades. I'm using the lighter one to highlight my face, and I'll be using the darker foundation shade to contour my face. I'm using my Makeup Forever pressed powder to set all the highlighted areas of my face. And also to define my cheekbones. To set my contour, I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty bronzer. And to add more warmth to my face, I'm going in with the shade from my eyeshadow palette. I'm just going to place that on all the contour areas of my face. And I'm also using it to contour my nose. I'm using that as an eyeshadow shade as well. Mascara, highlight the nose, and because I didn't use any concealer, I'm using my translucent powder to just brighten my under eyes a little bit, because I want my face to be warm, but I also want the bright under eye look. And for my lips, I will be listing all the products that I use in the description box, so make sure to check that out. Lip liner, lipstick, clear lip gloss, and we're done. And this is the final look. Thanks guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.